Hello everyone, here is a quick video on how to factory reset a BT Home Hub 4 Type B or BT Home Hub 4.0 Type B. So what we've got over here is a BT Hub and a laptop connected to it. In my example here, we've got somebody who's reconfigured the router to an IP address that is not the default IP address. They've changed the password on this and some other stuff, and we just want to go back to factory settings and be sure that there's no custom settings on this at all. Just as an aside, this is pretty much factory reset for this demo, and the ping times are awful on the Wi-Fi, but there we go. So it's pinging the non-default 10.74.74.1, and over here on the right hand side it's pinging the default IP address of 192.168.1.254. So to factory reset this router, just above the power socket is a reset hole there, and you need a unbent paperclip or possibly a very thin ballpoint pen or something to put into that reset hole and hold it down to reset. I will tell you how long I'm holding it down for and when I press it, and also I'll try and show you the lights and maybe even the screen of the computer so you can see what it does. So let's get into position. That's now there, but I'm not pressing it, and I'm going to press it for about 21, maybe 22 seconds, starting now. That should be about 22 seconds, and let go. You can see the broadband light has stopped flashing. When I let go, the router stopped responding to pings on the custom IP address, and we now have to wait for it to reboot. I don't think it's going to be back yet, but I'm going to have a quick look at the list of wireless networks and see whether I can select it. And no, it says the network can't be joined, so this thing's still in the process of starting up. They aren't notorious for being really slow and taking many minutes to get ready and start up. Okay, we might be about ready now. Now the light has changed colour and it's no longer flashing, although I do not see the wireless network in my wireless list yet. And now I do, and it's joined it, so let's see whether it responds on the default IP address, which will be this window over on the right hand side. And there we are, yes. So that's how you factory reset this BT Hub 4. Although it seems to have dropped off for a moment, and now it's back again. So there we go. And again, atrocious ping times, hundreds of milliseconds from this machine to this router with nothing else connected. Yeah, not a great advert for performance there. That's how you factory reset this BT Home Hub 4 Type B. Hopefully the video has been helpful to you. If it has, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have the video notifications switched on, but the subscriber numbers really do help. Thank you very much.